have two.
And then we're going to explain the rules of the game.
What?
The
They have
partner
pairs
has-
and you have one.
And each pair get next to one of these red things. Buckets there. Okay, so that's what we're going to do.
Oh.
That's what we're going to do. Louis here is going to wrap their arms together. Okay, they're going to wrap the arms together so they can't move. And then this is ice cold water. This is a bucket of water with ice in it, and it's been sitting there for about 15 minutes, so it's about 0 degrees, okay? So they're going to stick their arms there and look for a little key, and they're going to take that little key to one of these 3 containers, which carries the underclassmen court in it. Okay, so whoever opens it first gets to announce each grade's court. So, we're going to wrap their arms together.
I'm tired.
Our wrap actually rips off. So, what we're going to have to do is, you guys just have to do it without the wrap. You can only use your 2 middle arms to get the key in the bucket.
One arm each, like watch me and Louis.
Make sure it's connected the whole time or you'll be disqualified. It has to go like this the whole time. Just keep it connected.
Alright?
You know they're gonna cheat. What the fuck?
Find that key on your mark. Get set. You are cheating.
Alright. On your mark. Get set. Go! Run, let's run! Let's run! Down here!
It's not an exciting game. What the fuck?
Let's go!
Come on, Omar. Ashley, you're slacking.
My arms are hurting.
Alright, our winner is Anita and Marcus. Go ahead and take it out. You guys will announce the name.
Alright, everyone pause. Okay,
Alright, so our first underclassmen
couple for the
is,
2007 Winter Formal Court is...
this is juniors. Christina Lopez, come on up. And David Frazier, come on up.
David, you have to come on, don't be shy.
Alright. So Linda and Robert, we announced them. And this is sophomores. Your prince and princess.
Oh, okay.
Daisy, no!
Dijon, get up here!
Congratulations.
I thought those were freshmen.
Good job, guys.
Congratulations. So now,
Okay, finally.
none other than less than the freshmen. Freshman prince and princess is...
Open it up. Ricky Mendoza.
The fastest that we
Alyssa Solario, come on up.
Go, Alyssa!
Give it up, freshman, for your prince and princess.
Alright. So, let's take them up here.
I know, why do we do this
Alright,
crap?
give it up for your Winter Formal Court 2007.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Good job, guys.
Alright, thanks a lot. You guys did good and congratulations. Give it up one more time. Alright, our next sport is soccer. Boys